In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your domains in Zoho. First, let's access Zoho Mail, so open your browser and visit their mail website. Once there, enter your login details to access your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're ready, log in and move to the next step. Next, you'll want to locate your profile icon, which you can find in the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see an option called Admin Console. Go ahead and click on that. The Admin Console is your gateway to managing various settings and configurations for your Zoho services. It's here that you'll make changes to your domain settings and really customize how you use Zoho. Once you're inside the Admin Console, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the Domains section. Click on it. This is the place where you can oversee and manage any domains associated with your account. Now, if you have a domain already connected, you'll see it listed here. But if you're looking to add another, Zoho provides the option to either add a new domain or purchase one directly through their platform. It's a great feature for those looking to expand or create a more personalized email address format. For those with the domain already set up, click on your listed domain to move forward. This step is crucial because it allows you to access and adjust various domain settings related to your email services. Once you've clicked on your domain, you'll be guided through necessary steps to verify it. Verification is important as it ensures that you have authoritative control over this domain. Follow the instructions provided by Zoho, which may include adding specific records to your domain's DNS settings. After you've successfully verified your domain, you'll be greeted with a confirmation message indicating that everything is set up correctly. At this point, you've completed managing your domain in Zoho Mail. With your domain fully operational, you are now free to utilize all of Zoho Mail's features, sending and receiving emails through your personalized domain address. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage your domains within Zoho Mail. This process allows you to take full advantage of all the functionalities Zoho offers. If you ever need to revisit or adjust your domain settings, remember that you can always return to the Admin Console. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy emailing!